the biggest single-day spike so far, India has recorded over 62,538 fresh coronavirus cases, taking the tally to over 20 lakh. The COVID-19 death toll has also gone up to 41,585, with 886 deaths being recorded in the past 24 hours. The total number of coronavirus cases in India has shot past the 20 lakh mark and reached 20,27,074. The accumulated number of COVID-19 cases has now reached 3,217 in Manipur, out of which 536 are security personnel. 8 people have succumbed to the deadly virus as of now in the state. According to the latest update from the COVID Command Control Room, during the past 24 hours, 115 persons have been tested positive for COVID-19. In the last 24 hours, 43 people have discharged from different COVID care centers across the state after they tested negative for COVID-19. The number of active cases now stands at 1,304, while 1,905 persons have been recovered from the disease till now. Directorate of Handloom and Textiles, Government of Manipur, today celebrated the National Handloom Day 2020 at the All Secretariat Conference Hall, Imphal. Minister of Textile, Commerce and Industry, Thongam Biswajit, Chairman of Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited, S. Rajan Singh, and Commissioner cum Secretary, Textile, Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur, Divesh Deval, IAS, attended the event. During the function, Minister T.H. Biswajit felicitated 27 winners of State Award and Merit Award for Master Craftsman 2019-2020. Many tea estate workers are feared trapped under soil in Kerala's Munnar after torrential rains triggered a massive landslide today. The area has been witnessing rains for the past 3 days, a media report said. According to local authorities, the incident in Idukki district happened in the early hours of Friday. Communication links to the area have been affected as the power lines have snapped in the rains. Member of Yaro Bamdiar Gram Panchayat Ward No. 7 Awangjiri, L. Diben, Naharol Yaipa Club Awangjiri and Awangjiri Maning Nupi Marop jointly organized a sanitization drive in the ward area. L. Diben provided sodium hypochlorite, face masks and hand sanitizers to Naharol Yaipa Club Awangjiri. Diben also provided face masks and hand sanitizers to around 35 senior citizens of the area, along with a sum of Rs 200 each. COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya have reached 1,000 today after 13 new positive cases were reported. With 13 new cases, the state now has a total of 1,003 cases. However, the number of active cases came down from 640 to 587 after 66 persons have recovered from the disease. According to a media report, Meghalaya now has 587 active cases, 412 recovered and 5 deaths. Addressing a conclave on transformational reforms in higher education under National Education Policy, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said the new National Education Policy will be the foundation of the new India. At the conclave aimed to discuss several new initiatives introduced under the recently launched National Education Policy, the Prime Minister asked all stakeholders to discuss the ways to implement the new policy. The United States has lifted the highest level of its global health travel advisory for Americans due to the coronavirus pandemic and restored the previous country-specific system without changing the status of over 50 countries, including that of India and China. As per a media report, the US State Department issued the Level 4 Do Not Travel Advisory, the highest level of travel advisor, on March 19, urging American citizens not to travel overseas due to the coronavirus pandemic. Researchers and pharmaceutical companies around the globe are racing to find a vaccine for the coronavirus disease. While some companies are still focusing on the initial round of clinical trials for their vaccine candidate, others have raced ahead to third and final phase of testing, as per a media report. In fact, US President Donald Trump, whose government is pouring in billions for a COVID-19 vaccine, said yesterday it was possible that the United States would have a coronavirus vaccine before the November 3rd election.